Hi everyone, my name is Franco and today we're going to be doing how to make an old music just like the 1900s. It's kind of easy, but it's like the same thing or like the same effect that I showed you before. Like, for example, testing, 1, 2, testing 1 and 2. Now all you have is this, right? So select, make sure this one is up, this project rate is up to 9,000. So now all we want to do is make this to critical A, go to the effect, go to high pass filter, and make sure the frequency is 1000. And also make sure the roll off is 12 decibels too. Go to the effect, go to amplify, and make sure it's 11. Also make sure it's allow clipping too. Now go to the effect again, go to low pass filter, and make sure it's also 1000. And click OK. Then now go to amplify one more time, click here, and now go to 11 again, and click OK. And here's your results. It's simple. It's just like that. Thus, you can just import some music files and just import right here, and then do the same edit that I showed you before. And that is it. It's very simple, it's very easy. And also, I'm very sorry that I haven't uploaded a video again because I was always lazy, and I'm also sorry that I'm like kind of stutter. But hey, that is all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.